Hi, I'm Mitchell Crisp. Today I'm going to show you how to make some homemade dog treats. A lot of store-bought dog treats have excess fat as well as ingredients your dog just does not need to be eating. So I've found a great recipe for homemade dog treats that your dog is going to love. So let's get started. Very simple ingredients. We're just going to use some flour, 1 egg, a third of a cup of water, some 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth, a tablespoon of garlic, a tablespoon of parsley, and a tablespoon and a half of honey that I'm going to eyeball, and you can too. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the liquid ingredients in first. So I'm pouring in my water and my chicken broth. I'm gonna put in my tablespoon of garlic. This is fun. I'm going to put my tablespoon of parsley. I'm gonna eyeball the honey and just put in a tablespoon and a half. My dog will like it with a little bit more or a little bit less. She's not gonna care. And then 1 egg. Ta-da! Then I'm gonna whisk this up just a little bit. And then slowly, I'm going to add my 3 cups of flour and kind of whisk that in. Now we've got it in a good kind of, you can see this kind of squishy dough, dry biscuit dough consistency. And now it's time to pat it out on some flour. Put some flour down on my clean countertop and spread it out a little bit. And when I do this, it gets flour on my hands so that it doesn't get all sticky onto my hands when I pick up the ball of dough. And then you can use a rolling pin, but you don't have to. I'm just gonna pat this out. I'm going to make snowflake ones and Christmas tree ones. And then I'm gonna just start do this and lay it out on the cookie sheet. So we're putting them in this 350-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes. And then we're gonna let them cool for 2 hours at least. And when we're done, they look like this, and they're adorable and delicious even for humans. Let's see what Stella thinks about them. Hi, Stella. You want a dog treat? Oh, good girl. She loves it.